My name is Melissa Untereker. I am an attorney, an immigration attorney with a solo practice, and I've been running my own solo practice for 6 years. I specifically sought out DePaul because of its asylum and immigration clinic. At the time when I was applying to law schools, I had been working as a labor organizer in the Chicago area, and because of my fluency in Spanish, I had been primarily focused on a group of immigrant women who were housekeepers at private mental health facilities. And as I got to know them and got to hear their stories, it started clicking to me that they had really very few rights as undocumented, low-wage workers in the United States. And before I thought they could even get to that step of being empowered in the workplace, I felt like, okay, how do we get them lawful status so then they can actually have some protections and not be fearful of deportation and family separation? So that kind of all started clicking on my interest in migration and labor issues and immigration. And so that's why I specifically sought out DePaul. DePaul's mission, I think, in many ways is put directly into practice in the field of immigration law. The whole purpose behind immigration law, at least in the work that I do, is to help promote social and racial and economic equality. It's to help provide individuals and their families with dignity. And, just working with such a diverse group of clients, a diverse population. I have clients from all around the world, from different faiths, different races, different ethnic groups, gender identities, sexual orientations, and just being able to provide service to as many people as I can is, I think, what the Ascension mission is all about. I live on a border community. I pass the border fence every single day on my way to my office or taking my kids to school. Most of the people in this community have family or friends who live in Ciudad Juarez and who cannot cross the bridge that spans just a super short distance between our cities because they don't have visas or because of a mistake they made when they were younger and are permanently barred from ever entering the United States lawfully, and who I know share the same dreams and goals for their families as I do. I just want to continue doing my part to ensure equal opportunities and try to eliminate discrimination in my community. And by working on migration issues, helping immigrants, I feel like I just have to keep doing that. There's no choice. Every single accomplishment reinforces why I continue to do this work. Whether it's reuniting family members who have been separated across borders for years, or even just the small accomplishment of helping somebody get a work permit and a social security card for the first time. There's just so many rewards every single day. And after practicing immigration law for 16 years, I've literally worked with hundreds of families, if not into the thousands. And every single one is a human being with a life that I just feel so honored to be able to help and impact in some, even if it's a small way or if it's a large way. I know I've made a concrete difference in their life. And that's really what keeps me going and doing this work.